Hello, everyone.
Hello.
This is me, Yulia Snitka, and this is my helper, Polina. Well, today we will do some memory game, we will do some reading, and of course, we will learn new words. Let's start with new words. I say, you repeat. Bat,
Bat.
bird,
Bird.
Well. We have learned some birds. And now, can you please match the pictures and the words?
Ostrich, letter B.
Ostrich, letter B, right.
Parrot, letter D.
Great.
Peacock, letter A.
Letter A is letter A.
Owl, the letter C.
Letter C. Great. So keep going with new words. Fur.
Fur.
Beak.
Beak.
Tell apart.
Teleport.
Well, tooth.
Tooth.
If you have one tooth, you say a tooth. If you have many, you
Teeth.
say teeth. Yeah, plural form is teeth. Okay, say with me. Tell apart.
Teleport.
Beak.
Beak.
Fur.
Fur.
Bird.
Bird.
Tooth.
Tooth.
Bat.
Bat.
Now, can you please guess what is hiding here?
Teleport.
Telepart. I will ask our subscribers to do it before Polina does. What is hiding here?
Tooth.
Yay, right. It's a tooth. What is hiding here?
Fur.
Great. It's fur. What is hiding here?
Bat.
Great. What is hiding here?
Beak.
Good job. It's a beak. And finally, what is
Bird.
hiding? That is bird. All right. Can you recall all the words? And our subscribers, can you please press the stop button and say it before Polina does? Poля, will you do number one?
Number one, teleport.
Keep going.
Number two, beak.
Right.
Number three, fur. Number four, bird. Number five, tooth. Number six, bat.
Bat. All right. Well, now we are going to listen to a text. Will you listen attentively and underline the new words? Послухайте текст і підкресліть на екранчику нові слова. Teleport, big, fur, bird, tooth or teeth, bat.
Bats and birds. Both bats and birds can fly. You might see them on a rooftop. In other ways, bats and birds are very different. Birds have feathers. Bats have fur. Birds have beaks. Bats have teeth. Bats hang upside down when they rest. Birds never do that. Bats and birds are very easy to tell apart when they're not flying.
Well. Poля, can you please highlight the new words? New words. Where are they?
Birds. Birds. Так. Bats.
Great.
Birds. Зараз. Birds.
Mhm.
Birds.
Yeah, there are a lot of birds and bats here in the text.
Bats, birds, bats.
Mhm, mhm.
Ой,
Well, okay, it's time to read. Let's read the story with us. I read, you repeat. Both bats and birds can fly. Поля, will you repeat after me?
так. Both bats and birds can fly.
You might see them on a rooftop.
You may see them a rooftop.
In other ways, bats and birds are very different.
In other ways, bats and birds different.
Birds have feathers.
Birds have feathers.
Bats have fur.
Bats have fur.
Birds have beaks.
Birds have beaks.
Bats have teeth.
Bats have teeth.
Bats hang upside down when they rest.
Bats hang upside down, they rest.
Birds never do that.
Birds never do that.
Bats and birds are very easy to tell apart when they are not flying.
Bats and birds are easy to tell apart when they are not
Flying. The next task, you need to find the sentence. Polia, can you please highlight the sentence and read it?
Birds have feathers, bats have fur.
The next sentence. Can you find it, please?
Bats and birds are very easy to tell apart when you're not feeling.
It's about upside down. Вверх ногами, upside down. Yeah, find the sentence with upside down. Yeah, that is it. Read it, please, Polia.
Bats hang upside down when they rest.
Yeah, right. And finally, the last one. Tell apart. Tell apart.
Tell apart. Bats and birds very easy to tell apart.
When they are not flying. That is the end of the sentence. Okay, well, and now we are going to do a test. We'll check how well you remember some facts from the text. Question number 1, Polina, will you read?
How are bats and birds alike? Letter C.
Letter C. Great. They both can fly. Question number 2.
How are bats and birds different? Letter C.
Letter C. Bats have fur. Well, and we have some special task for our subscribers. Polia.
Dear friends, give the answer to the question in comments.
Yes, so we are waiting your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us make more wonderful videos. Well, Paul, do you know what is the smallest bird in the whole world?
Colibri.
And in English, it's going to be hummingbird. Let's
Hummingbird.
repeat. Yeah, let's repeat it. Hummingbird, hummingbird, hummingbird 3 times.
Hummingbirds, hummingbirds, hummingbirds.
So hummingbird is the smallest bird in the whole world. All right, that is the end of our lesson. Well, tell us, which words have you learned?
I have learned the words tell apart, big, for birds, tooth, bed.
Tell me about your favorite part of the story.
In the
You may say in Ukrainian.
Мені дуже сподобалося читати, і я дуже сильно вразилась, що колібрі по-англійськи буде hamburgers.
Клас, круто, добре. А наші підписники напишуть нам у коментарях, що їм сподобалося з сьогоднішнього уроку. Поля, and I want to ask you the final question. How do you feel?
My feel is funny, my is good. I'm super.
And super, great. As for me, I feel awesome too. Thank you for reading with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you next time.